Freeze panes solve a very common problem in Excel, one that you've probably already encountered. Let's take a look. I'm doing market research and I downloaded this huge spreadsheet from the Census Bureau with information about each metropolitan statistical area. The information that I'm interested in is that which is associated with Seattle, so I want to find that in my spreadsheet. So I do Control F to bring up my Find and Replace dialog. I've already entered Seattle. I hit return there, and that will take me to the first instance of Seattle in this spreadsheet. And you can see the problem that I'm going to encounter here. I have a lot of data, but I've forgotten what each of these column headings was. And freeze panes will solve that for me. So I want to go back up to the top. To do that, I'll hit Control Home, and that will take me back to the top of my spreadsheet. And now I select a cell, or I could select a row that's below all of my column heading information. And I go to the View menu and select freeze panes, and I could freeze the top row or I could freeze the first column, but I want more than just the top row. So again, I've selected a cell that's below the rows that I want to freeze, and then I hit freeze panes. And now you can see when I go to Control F in Seattle, I'll scroll down to the information on Seattle, but I won't lose my column heading information. Now you could use any large spreadsheet to experiment with this tool. If you want to use the actual spreadsheet that I used, you could download it from the Census Bureau, or you can download it from the EXP Academy Freeze Pane course. The spreadsheet's included in the course materials there. Good luck, let us know how it goes.